part 2 of unboxing zombies. Also, I found a jacket and a microphone in her little packet after last time. Yes, whoops. I guess I didn't see that, but let's do the next one. Oh, I think it's the one that I wanted. Oh, I wanted this one. I think it might be. It is, where is she? Her. I really wanted her. I think it might be. Open the card. Am I gonna rip it again? Like I did with, her? I don't think am I ripping it? No, I'm not ripping it. I'm not ripping it. And, be careful not to rip. Oh. Why does it make things in general so hard to open? Help, please. Help. All right, got it. Oh, no. Oh, no, it's not. It's her. It's her. It's not? Oh, I did want her as well, though. How is it not her, though? I don't get it. Oh, that's her glasses. I should have known. I should have known. And then I open it, and it's not even her. Her? Okay. I'm going to guess this one comes with a dress and an umbrella because... Oh, what is on her eye? I don't know, but I like it. Alright, and for little props, she has, obviously, her doll stand, which is purple. Yes. Oh, and the stands are spines as well. Oh, 3 things this time. There's, hold on, the sunglasses. Hold on. How do they even, oh, there's ear holes in this one. That makes sense. That makes sense. And she has her umbrella. Perfect. Oh, because it has a bat on top. That's why they were bat things. Put the umbrella in her hand. Why so tiny? Does it go in here? Yeah, I don't know. And she also has this skirt I'm going to attempt to put on. And the bottom of the doll stand, which put together like that. Perfect. And also put this card, the card, into, oh, it's supposed to go that slow. Perfect, like that. Put it on top. Okay, she's ready. I think she looks fancy. Surprised I haven't really gotten any doubles.